beautiful temple, excellent architecture, sculpture, whatever we say. So I have entered by showing my ticket. Now entering into this queue is very hot. This is Swaminarayan Mandir, excellent. Inside we have statues of Vishnu, Shiva, Krishna, Sri Ramchandra, Bhagavan Lakshman, Anjaneya Swami, all statues. But only thing is there is a middle place occupied by Swaminarayan. That is the thing in Swaminarayan temples, BAPS temples. So I am just going back. Actually what happened, I forgot my power bank. I have put in the bag and came here at the main entrance, and they didn't allow me with the power bank and small lock. Then I had to go all the way to my bus, keep my bag and come back. So it took my 20-25 minutes waste of time. This is a restaurant, cafeteria, but I think we have to pay and eat, so we don't have time. They would have arranged to put lunch here, but unfortunately lunch is somewhere, so we have to go back by 1 PM. Only 12-30 minutes. See, excellent cafeteria, and I think also is entirely pure vegetarian. So non-vegetarian is not served here. You can see bay leaf, basil leaf, mint leaf, banana leaf, different types of restaurants or food. Excellent. Executive thali, chole, pulao, raita. Executive thali only 30 dinars. That means 600 rupees. Paneer and naan only 20. Excellent. Khichdi is only 15. So sweet lassi only 10. Mango lassi. So excellent. Dahi balla, pani puri, raj kachori, samosa chaat, upma sambar, vada, everything is available. Vada is only 10. Excellent. But I don't have time to eat. I'm just going back. So within 10 minutes I have to reach my bus coach. Otherwise bus will leave without me. So I don't want to do that, and again I have to go taxi. I have to take taxi and go and meet bus. So our bus people are, some are already gone and some people are still going. So I can just walk a bit faster. So it is very hot. That's why picture is not clearly visible. Video. This is the complex, temple complex. All new construction. They are just looking like Hyderabad or any city in India with new buildings construction, under construction. So just they are building in a desert. You can see no roads, only blacktop roads. Not much facilities. Mosques are there, schools are there. It doesn't look like a town or city. Just a remote settlements kind of thing.
Activities and the combination of sports activities. So this island is actually divided into two parts. So right now we're in the first part of this Yas island. So the first part, here we have a Yas Sea World. So right inside, this one is a Yas Sea World. It was opened 2 years before, Yas Sea World. And this is the marine life theme park inside this Yas Sea World. Okay, I'll get back to this point. Just look at the left hand side. This is the Yas Marina Circuit. The main entrance of this Yas Marina Circuit. The white tents building, you can see left hand side. So inside that white Nets building, they're doing the Formula One race. So there we have a Formula One race track. And now look at your left hand side, Yas Ferrari World. So the Formula Rossa ride is going on. The world's fastest roller coaster is going on at your left hand side. So the speed limit.
This is Yas shopping mall, one of the biggest in Abu Dhabi. There is also Ferrari World here. This is Ferrari World, Abu Dhabi. So F1 car racing will take place. Ferrari store, Ferrari car, ticketing, 150 dirhams is a pass, quick pass, but we are not doing it. It's expensive and is not included in our pick pack. Video shoot हो रहा है. Stop. Ah, okay. So this is Yas World, Ferrari World Yas Island. So there is a fastest roller coaster. It will go to reach 250 kilometers within 3 seconds, and it will complete the rotation, entire rotation in within 1 minute, under 1 minute. And also Ferrari cars are there inside.
Climbing wall and indoor skydiving, and one of the biggest mall at the right side, as we've seen already, Yas Mall. So we have already covered now the first part of this Yas Island. We have seen already Yas SeaWorld, Yas Marina Circuit, Yas Waterworld, Yas Warner Brothers, Yas Etihad Arena, and the Yas Ferrari World also, the Yas Mall also. Now we're heading to the next part, second part of this Yas Island. So over there you'll see the residential apartments, private villas, and the residential apartments we have on the second part of this Yas Island. Okay, so let's start with the meaning of Abu Dhabi now. What is the meaning of Abu Dhabi? Any idea? No idea? Alright, what's the meaning of the word? You guys have done the Dubai City tour already, right? You have done the Dubai City tour? Yes. Very good. So what is the meaning of Dubai? What happened? Origin?
Arabian Sea.
So it's under construction.
So now we are going to main island after Yas Island.
Now we are going to enter this Al Fahid
Abu Dhabi's main island.
Connected with this bridge. So we have a Fahid private beach also. Al Fahid private beach, it will come within 2-3 minutes at your right hand side. The Al Fahid private beach will come at your right side. So have you ever been in Italy, anybody? Italy? You have been there? Okay. And so many guys already heard about the name of Pisa Tower maybe. Pisa, Leaning Tower. You've also heard in Abu Dhabi Leaning Tower. In Italy, that one is a circumstantial based leaning tower, not a man-made. But here in Abu Dhabi, we have a man-made leaning tower. So let's see, the weather is not clear, we can't see clearly, but no, I can see, but you can't see. Vision is not clear. It's on the left hand side, far away. When we will go to the last stop of this tour, we'll just pass through in front of that building also. The Leaning Tower, the world's biggest man-made leaning tower and landscape capital. It's a commercial tower. 160-meter tall, 35-story building. It indeed leans towards west side. Okay, so I'll let you know once we reach in front of the building. I'll let you know. You can take a. So the Saadiyat Island is on the right hand side. So by the way, Saadiyat, yeah, this is the commercial and the private apartments has been started now. After these Saadiyat private apartments and the commercial apartments, you will see the Saadiyat villas, private villas is going to be started. Just behind these villas, there will be a private beach also, just like in Palm Jumeirah Island, right?
Saadiyat villas, Saadiyat area.
We have private beach also, just like right.
They are looking beautiful, Spanish villas.
Saadiyat. So these are the villas, private villas has been started at your right side. So as we have already entered now, the Saadiyat Island. So Saadiyat is an Arabic word. Saadiyat is an Arabic word, which means happiness. So we have already entered now the island of happiness. So guys, please make sure one thing, keep smile on your face until we are just inside the island, because anywhere, anytime the security belongs to this Salbian community, they can come inside the bus and they'll check who's not smiling, who don't have a smiling face.